Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called F.L.Y. Free to Love Yourself. It's a two-wall dance. There's two parts. There's a bridge and there is a change in the dance that I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing, in New Orleans, please call 504-251-0674. I want to give a friendly shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Thank you to everyone that's supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. Y'all guys are totally awesome. And we are looking forward to hosting you next year. So let's go. Let's go. So it is a front and back wall. So this is the front, this is the back, but I'm going to the side. So we're dancing next to each other, okay, side by side. So the dance starts with a rock back recover, and you're going to paddle, paddle. You're going to do a left sailor and a right sailor. And this is how it looks. Right back recover, right, right, left, right, right. And of course, we're going to do the same thing we did on the right, on the left. Rock back, recover, left, left. That's a full turn. Sailor right, right, left, sailor left, right, left. So let's put that together. 5. So we're coming back to this wall. And the shoulder is rocking forward to come, rocking back to go forward. Full turn. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, out. So yes, let's put that heel out to transition into the next part. Okay? Left, right, out. So let's do that again. Rock back, recover. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, out, 8. Now we're going to do a travel step with the left leg going to the right. Okay? We're going to stop on 6 and we're going to turn back with the left shoulder, left, right, left. Shoulder come back, full turn. This is how it looks. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, which is left, right, left. Of course, we're going in the opposite direction to do the same thing. Going to the left with the right leg, right shoulder come back on 7 and 8, making a full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, left, right. Okay, so let's put that together. So our heel is out. We go to the right, crossing over to the front with the left leg. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, front, 5, 6. Come back with that left full turn. Left, right, left. Okay, the last step is on the left. We're going to come forward on that right. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6 is on the left. We're going to come back with that right. Right, left, full turn. Right, left, right. And that's all of part 1. So let's put it together with the rock back, recover, and then going into that travel step. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and I'm sorry. 5. Let's do that again. Paddle around. 5, 6, 7, rock back, recover. 1, 2, paddle 3, 4, left, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Left back. 1, 2, paddle 3 and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget to transition with your heel out, okay? To go into that travel step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Okay? The last step is on your right. Now, let's go into part 2. Part 2 We're going to use the front and the back wall, then we're going to come back to the front, then we're going back to the back. Using a basic Chicago step. Left over right, right over left, shuffle, shuffle. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, shuffle, shuffle. Okay? Now we're going to make a half turn with the left leg. Left, push, right, shuffle, left, right. Okay? So let's put that together. Crossing over. 5, 6, 7, cross left. Left, right, shuffle, left, right. Turn left, push right, shuffle, left, right. Okay? From here, we're going back to the front. Left. 5, 6, 7 to the front. Left, push right, right. Okay? Let's do that again. Turning to our left, half turn. Left, push right, right. Okay? Let's put that together. Part 2 from the top with our basic. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. Left, right, shuffle, left, right. Half turn, left, push right, shuffle, left, right. Turn left, push right, right. Okay? From here, we're going to start it over again. We're not done. Okay, this is part 2. We're not finished. Let's go back to the basic again. No, we're not going back to the top. We adding on to part 2. Cross over. Left, right, shuffle, left, right. You're like, Linda, we did that already. Yes, we're doing it again. Then we're going to do that half turn. We're going to go left, right. That's it. We're not going to push. Just made that half turn. Left, right. The last step is on the left. Then you're going to end part 2, crossing over. 1, out 2, cross 3, 4, cross 5, 6, cross 7, and 8. In the dance, in a part 2, my right heel is up. I'm at my second wall. I told you it was a 2-wall dance, and we start the dance over with a rock back recover, paddle around. Left sailor, right sailor. So same thing I did at the front wall, I'm going to do at the back wall. Now, let's put all of part 2 together, and then we'll put part 1 and part 2 together, okay? All right, part 2 starts on the left with the Chicago basic. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Push 1 and 2, shuffle 3, 4, turn 5 and 6, push 7 and 8. Cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? So, let's put part 1 and part 2 together. Okay? Here, you're going to do part 1 and part 2 again. Same thing. And you'll wind up back at the front, and then we're going to go into the bridge. Okay? All right. Now, let's start over from the top. Rock back, recover on the right. Full turn forward, paddle. 1, 2, paddle 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left back, 1, 2, paddle 3, 4, right sailor, 5 and 6, 7, transition out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left back, 7 and 8. Cross right, 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn back, 7 and 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, half, 7 and 8. Push 1 and 2, shuffle 3, 4, half, 5, then 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? From here, we're going to do it again. Let's do it again. Same thing. Rock back, recover, going forward. Paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 out, 8. Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left back full turn, 7 and 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right back, 7 and 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6. Have 7 and 8. Push 1 and 2. Shuffle 3, 4. Turn 5, then 6. Push 7, 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6. Have 7 and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I basically did part 1 and 2 at the front wall, part 1 and 2 at the back wall. And now I'm back here. Now, the bridge. We're going to do our corners, diagonal. We're going here, we're going here, we're going here, and then we're going here, and then back to the front. So don't think about a wall, think about the corners, diagonal, okay? We're going to butterfly, and we're going to rock forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All we did was forward and back, and we did our little hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my weight is on the left. I'm going to do it. I'm going to walk easy, half, 5, 6. I need to get to this wall. So I'm going to come back on my right and turn 7, 8. All right? So you're going to have to do an easy half and a kickstand on that right 3/4 turn. Okay? Then here, same thing we just did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? We're going to visit each diagonal wall moving clockwise. Now I'm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, half, 5, 6, 3/4, 7, 8. And each time that right shoulder is coming back. That right leg is coming back. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to the front, 7, 8. Okay? So make sure the right leg comes back first to turn. To do that easy step half, and that right comes back to do that kickstand 3/4 turn. Okay? So that's the bridge. We're here. Now, it's pretty much the end of the song. So the change, I told you there was a change. I told you there was the bridge. We just did the bridge. Now there's the change. So the change is, we normally would go back to part 1. We're not going to do that because it's the end of the song. So we're going to do part 2. Part 2, yes, your basic, Chicago basic. So cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Push 1 and 2, shuffle 3, 4, half, 5 and 6, push 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Yes, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I tap on 6. And guess what? I'm going to step up on 7, 8. Why? Because if I do a cross tap again, I'm going to be on the right to start back with part 1. This is the end of the song. We're not doing part 1. We're doing part 2. The rest of the song. So I'm going to cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6, step up, left, 7, and 8. Then what I'm going to do part 2 again. Do your basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, half, 7 and 8. Push 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, half, 5, then 6, push 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You like, Linda, you're on the right. Why you didn't step up? Because it's the end of the dance. Okay? There you go. So you do 1 and 2 at the front wall. You do 1 and 2 at the back wall. You do your bridge. Your bridge is not a tag. A tag is going, because I know y'all get confused with the tag and the bridge. The tag is going to be short. It's going to be like 6 or 8 beats. That's it. Your bridge is almost, it's a verse. It's an entire verse. So it's so long, the bridge is so long that we did all 4 walls. Okay, so you'll hear the music change slightly. Most of the time when you have the bridge, the music changes. Somebody come in, another artist will come in and do a rap version of it or whatever. It's gonna sound different, but it's gonna be a whole verse. They're gonna give them a whole verse. Okay, and so the bridge we did at all 4 walls. Okay, so we did 1, 2. We had our second wall. We did 1, 2. Then we came in with the bridge with our rock back forward and back and our butterfly hands diagonal. Think about your corners. Okay, come back on that right half and that right 3/4 turn. Okay, and do the same thing at each wall moving clockwise. Now, it's pretty much the end of the song. The artist has said what they wanted to say. The beginning of the song is all chorus now. That's when we go in with our basic, Chicago basic. Okay? Then we walk up, left, right to start that Chicago basic again. All right? Go to the demo. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That is F.L.Y. Free to Love Yourself. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.